welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree. Welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. I hope everybody is having an amazing, fantabulous day. Yes, I made that word up. I'm back with one of my favorite things to do, and that is a perfume review. I oftentimes do perfume reviews on this channel. It's one of my favorite things. I love scents for the home, scents for the body. I love scents on my guy. So oftentimes we review men's fragrance or cologne as well. And today, if you stay to the end, I have my best top 2017 guy fragrance. Let's jump into this video. Let's get right into it. Today is my top 5 2017 fragrances with a little bit of a story. Not a huge story time, but just a little bit of a story. And no, I normally say in no particular order, but today, you guys, it is a particular order. I am judging these. I am going from my favorite to least, and my favorite, I'm calling that a word, favorite least. My favorite least is going to be number 5, and my absolute favorite at the moment is going to be number 1. So I'm going to start with number 5. Alexa, drum roll please. Number 5 is Chanel, Gabrielle Chanel. I know, Chanel, there's no way we can put you number 5, but number favorite to least, you know, you're not a least favorite at all. But number 5, I'm gonna go with that. It smells really good. I have a whole in-depth video where I tell you all about this fragrance. I'll put a card up above so that you're able to watch that video and get all about it. But today I'm just gonna give you, you know, my top 5, and this smells really, really good. It's very fresh, it's very clean. I picked this up this past August in Paris at the flagship itself, that store. So it was very, very special to me. It was a very special purchase, and I didn't have anything in my collection at the time that smelled like this, so that's why I went for it, and I really do like it. However, I'm just reaching for a few other ones before I reach for this one. So this is number 5. Coming in at number 4, and I can't even believe I'm getting ready to say this because I made such a stink about this fragrance, but it is coming in at number 4 as I've gotten a few newer fragrances. This one has moved to the back. Okay, Alexa, drum roll please. Coming in at number 4, I know, Charlotte Tilbury, The Scent of a Dream. You guys, this was my absolute favorite for date night, and it, oh my god, it still is. When I smell it, it brings back so many amazing memories. You know what I always tell you about fragrances, they bring back so many memories, and I always connect a fragrance with a memory and how it makes me feel. So every time I spray this when we went out, oh my god, it's date night, I would put it on, and I love it in cool weather because as the wind blows against you, you can smell it through your hair and your faux fur. Oh my god, it was so good. I still love it, but I'm reaching for something before I'm reaching for this, so that's why this falls in at number 4. Coming in at number 3, Alexa, drum roll please. Coming in at number 3 is Tom Ford Ford Le Blanc. Oh my gosh, this was up there for 2 years in a row. This is more of a summer fragrance, but oh my god, like okay, you guys are gonna think I'm being dramatic. I'm not. I fell in love with this. This I wore in Jamaica, and every time I smell it, it just takes me right back there. This is a dual. I got the body, the shimmer oil as well. So this is like, it didn't come together, but I wore them together. I paired them together a lot. So if you can see this, you know anything about me, I'm all about the glitz and the glow and the glam. And I love the shimmer in this. And then I would pair it with this. And the two just made for a fantastic summer. This was my summer scent for 2017 as well as 2016, I believe. And I absolutely loved it, hands down. So this is coming in at number 3. Okay, now coming in at number 2, Alexa, drum roll please. It's Gucci. I know everybody's probably tired of seeing Gucci everywhere. Gucci. I am not over Gucci. I have actually fallen more in love with Gucci, but when I smelled this fragrance, now this I'm putting on, okay, I'm just, because we're going out anyway. Oh my gosh, it still does it. This I'm gonna spend a moment on. This is, oh my God, should I have done that? Oh. Okay. I'm back. If you haven't smelled this yet, get it in your life. It is fantabulous. It is fabulous. It smells so good. Okay, so I'm going to paint a picture for you and tell a story because that's what I do best. You guys, this makes me feel, I'm not even a barefoot girl. Like, I'm a sock, tennis shoe. I'm not walking around anywhere barefoot. That's just not my zhuzh. I don't like doing that. Even in my house, I wear slippers or some type of socks with a little bit of a ball at the bottom, but I'm just not a barefoot girl. But this right here, I would put on the most minimal sandal that I could possibly find, a very boho chic dress, something very floral-y and something very the Gone with the Wind. Oh my gosh, yeah, something where your hair is blowing and I'm running through a botanical garden and I'm just like letting it all go and I'm in my complete zhuzh and I'm just like here. You know what I mean? You've just, this is just so good. And the thing that changed it and put this at number 2 for me was that this makes me happy. This is a mood regulator. This smells so good. Like when I spray it, I just get happy. I don't know why. You know, happy vibes, happy thoughts, happy everything. That's what this is. This should have been Gucci Bloom Happy because it just makes me happy and I absolutely love it. This just, I can reach for this any time of day. Day, night, date night, church, brunch, girls night. I mean, around the house. I'm just reaching for it. I absolutely love it. I'm already ordering another bottle because I want to keep this in my life. If you have not tried it, get your hands on it. Smell it. Gucci Bloom. Yes. I'm taking Gucci into 2018. Yes, I am. And number 1. What can I say about number 1? She's a favorite. She's amazing. She still holds my heart dear. So, Alexa, drum roll please. Coming in at number 1 favorite, oh my God, at the moment is Coco Noir. This right here, life changer. You guys, this is so good. I'll give you a quick story on this. So with this, it's like she knows exactly who she is. She knows where she's going. She's put together. She's well manicured, well dressed, maybe a red lip or maybe a nude, a slick back ponytail, very sleek, or maybe a straight, just like a part down the middle and a straight hair. And then just like, I wear this with, oh, everything. I wear this. This has become my new favorite date night scent. And I put this on and I just feel like, oh my, it's okay. So this is not for like, it's a certain type of woman that's gonna wear this. That's what I'm gonna say. It's classy, it's elegant, it's sophisticated, it oods something. When you're wearing this, to me, you just own it. You're owning this scent when you're wearing it. It is not rocking you, you are rocking it. You have to know exactly where you're going, exactly what you're doing. This is not for like a, you know, a faint at heart, like, oh, I don't know, I'm just gonna spray it on. No. When you wear this, like, you know what time it is. You know what I mean? You know exactly. So I paired this with black faux fur. I paired this with like a, if you watch a video back, I'll put another card. I told you how I was going to wear this. I told you this would be good for like a theater, a date night, something when you walk or leave the room or enter the room, they know that you're there. They're going to do a second turn. They're going to, what? Yeah, because you smell that good and they want to know, what are you wearing? It just oods class. To me, it's class in a bottle. Chanel all the way. She's always been a favorite. And so I have some of the other ones. I put Madame Coco Moselle back on the shelf. I put Chanel number 5 down. I put Chance down, or Chance, or whatever you choose to call it. Like I said, Gabrielle Chanel is over there sitting down, but she's completely standing up. This is where it's at for me right now. If you have not smelled this and you like more of a mature, elegant, sophisticated, classy, timeless, just everything that goes with the word fabulous and luxury, this would be where you would want to go. So Valentine's Day is coming up, my most favorite day in the entire world, or can I say world? My most favorite day ever, other than my birthday. Make sure you smell it. Maybe you might want to put it on your list because it really smells good. Like I said, it's just in a class all by itself. It just says something, you know? It more than a, oh, I don't have enough to be wasted. Oh gosh, yeah. More than more than just, you know, a scent, it's just, it does something. And when I spray this, I just feel like, ooh, okay, I'm ready, let's go. You know, especially if I have this on and a red lip, you really couldn't tell me too much. You know what I mean? You just really couldn't tell me. So coming in at number 1 is Coco Noir. Hands down, it smells amazing. Get your hands on it and smell it. And so my fragrance for 2017 for the guy is, because I do have some guys that watch this channel, I have a favorite that I like to smell on my guy, and every time he wears it, I'm just saying, it's a it's a really good fragrance. Alexa, can I have a drum roll for the guy, please? Coming in at number 1 for the guy for 2017 is none other than Chanel Bleu. OMG, when he wears this, that brings back so many memories. I absolutely love this. We first found this and discovered this in Vegas, and I have not been able to put it down, meaning that I smell it. I tell him, wear this one, wear this one. Every date night, I'm like, wear this one. We picked up another one earlier this year, and it's really, really good too. It's also, I'll put a card to that one if you're looking for a men's cologne, or for your husband, your boyfriend, your bae, for you, whoever, you know, you can check that one out. But I want to give all of the credit to this one right here. This is amazing. Every time I smell this, it just makes me happy as well. So what about that? How is that for him, right? And for her. This brought it to 2017 for me. Girls, Coco Noir. Guys, Chanel Bleu. Pair these together, it is the perfect date night. So if you have not tried these, make sure you do. They are fabulous. Thanks for stopping by my channel. If this was your first time watching, don't be a stranger. Hit the subscribe button and come back. If you like this video and you like this kind of content, don't forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. That helps out so much. Let's see if we can get this video to 100 likes. Do me a favor, put in the comments section, what was your top fragrance of 2017 for you? What did you reach for in your closet? What did you reach for on your vanity? What did you have to spray before you left the house? Like I said, for me, hands down, it was Coco Noir on date night, and every other day I was reaching for Gucci Blooms. So that's mine, guys. I'd love to hear what yours are. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Stay fit, stay blessed, and stay fabulous. Bye.